Welcome back to the cabin. Today we're going to make some southern style cornbread. We got our cast iron skillet. We got some bacon, so stay tuned. So first we need to fry up some bacon. We don't really want the bacon, but we want the bacon grease. And while our bacon is cooking, we'll add the rest of our ingredients. So we start off with 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. Then we add 1 cup of whole milk. One egg, lightly beaten. One tablespoon of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then we're just going to gently mix this all together. Then the most important part, we're going to add the bacon grease. And once you have that all stirred in, I'm just going to add the mixture into our cast iron skillet. And then we just pop this into a preheated oven at 450 degrees. And we're going to let that cook for about 25 minutes. And this is what I like about making this style of cornbread. While you're waiting, you get to eat the bacon. Okay, I think that's done. Oh yeah. Let's grab that. I'll let that cool for a minute. Not sure what you guys like on your cornbread, but I like a little bit of blackberry jelly. You know, the thing about cornbread, there's probably as many recipes for cornbread as there is anything. I love all different kinds of cornbread. One recipe I want to try is it's called honey and maple cornbread. Haven't tried that yet, but I'm going to. And I'm sure all you guys have your own favorite cornbread recipes. So do leave a comment below. Tell me what your favorite cornbread recipe is. And tell me what you like on your cornbread, if anything. Because I love trying different things. So yeah, leave the comments below. I want to thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your cornbread. And I'll see you next time here at the cabin. So I was wondering, how long does cornbread actually last? So I made this cornbread back in July of 2012. That's almost 6 years ago. And yeah, I put it in the vacuum sealer. And I don't see anything wrong with it. The color looks good. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing growing on it. It's flat because when I vacuum sealed it, it just sucked all the air out and squeezed the bread down pretty flat. But I don't see anything wrong with it. There's no bulging in the package. That's 6 years. That looks pretty good for being 6 years old. So what do you guys think? Should I eat this? I'm tempted. Should I eat it now or should I wait? I was going to wait for it to be 10 years old and then maybe try it. What do you think? What could happen? What's the worst that could happen if I eat this? Well, let me know, guys.